What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another Motorola Razr Fold video. All right, so in this one, I wanted to go over some things that I don't like. It's not very many. It's not very many things that I don't like about this device, as it has been a great time using it. But there are a few things that I'm not the biggest fan of using this device. The number one thing is no screen protectors. And not just, let me just give a quick wipe down. Not the fact that it's not enough screen protectors, but most accessories that you can find for any other device, say for this one, like there's a D brand screen protector on here. Cases and things were easy to find. The big brand, like this Pataka one, the big brands and things were quick to release. A lot of the ones for this Motorola, although this is a great one, this commodity one is a great one. A lot of the products that you would, like to have aren't there immediately. And as you can see, I don't have a screen protector on my device right now. It's just straight blank. Luckily, nothing has happened, no accidents or anything, but it would be nice to be able to have a glass screen protector, but I'm assuming you can't do that because it's kind of a curved display there on the bottom. So, or not on the bottom, but kind of how it slopes off on the sides. But that's one thing that I don't like. Another thing that I don't like, let me see if I can get it to show. Sometimes when I'm scrolling, say I'm on Facebook, right? And I'm scrolling, it's probably not going to do it now that I'm trying to make it happen. But sometimes I'll be scrolling and I'll get somewhere and it'll accidentally click. It does this a lot if my fingers are like to the edge of the device here. So if I'm scrolling, sometimes I'll be doing something and say I stop somewhere, it'll click on it and then I have to go out of the app and keep going back and refreshing and all this stuff. I'm like, why does it keep doing that? I don't have that issue on my Pixel, and I didn't have that issue on my Z Fold 7. But it'll just, of course, I can't replicate it now. I can't show you what I'm talking about when it happens, but yeah, man, sometimes I'll be scrolling and it'll stop randomly at something, say this Home Depot ad, and it'll just click on that and open it up. I'm not sure if I'm like accidentally touching something or what's going on with that. That is probably my biggest annoyance with this device. That right there is just, I'll be scrolling and sometimes it'll just do that. So the next thing that I am not the biggest fan of with this device is it seems like there is an issue with Wi-Fi calling. So a lot of the times if someone calls me and I'm, connected to the Wi-Fi like I am right now, you can see that. If I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, then the calls, I won't be able to hear them. Like I can hear them initially say hello or what's up or whatever the issue is, but then there's no response. They're going in and out. They can't hear me. So I'll have to either hang up and call them back and turn Wi-Fi off and just use the regular cell coverage. Or, I might call them back and turn Wi-Fi back on after the call's already initiated. I don't know if it's a headphone thing because I switched from using the Pixel Buds that came with, that I had with all my Pixel devices I switched recently to the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, and it's been the same issue. So I don't know if there's like a Bluetooth calling or a Wi-Fi calling or whatever the issue is, but whenever there is Wi-Fi calling, if someone calls me and I'm on the Wi-Fi at the house, I have to turn it off to get the call situated, and then it'll be okay after that. I'm not sure why it does that. Maybe it needs a software update. Hopefully that's what the fix is. And there's supposed to be a security patch for this device, and when I go to check for it, it says I'm using the latest software. If I check for an update, it goes through the whole process, and then it does nothing. It'll say everything's fine, everything is good, right? So no software update. But I did see that, Shane Craig, he got a software update, and he went over the video and explained everything, but I've yet to receive that software update. So maybe when I get the software update, some of these minor things that I'm complaining about will go away, except for, the screen protector and the accessories. I do think the accessories are stepping it up. I have a few more cases that are en route right now, and I'll be able to show you a few more of those so that, you can see more options. I do have this commodity one, and I also have, fumble! I have this caseless one that I showed you all. So I have another one coming from caseless, and then I do have the poetic case that is on the way. So there are options, and I've heard people say that they got the thin-born case too, but for me the thin-born is pretty much this. So I didn't think I needed to have both of them, but we can get into that one if necessary, if you all want to see that. But I didn't think I needed to have the thin-born if I already have this commodity one, because this is my style of cases right here. All right. One other thing that I wanted to address before I let you all go. If you hear me say something in my videos, if you hear me say a giggity or usual books and stuff, like Flossie Carter would say, if you hear me say that, I'm not biting Flossie Carter. That's not me biting Flossie. What did Jay-Z say? Jay-Z said, when they accused him of biting Biggie, he said, I'm not a biter, I'm a writer for myself and others. I say a big verse, I'm only bigging up my brother. So I'm not a biter. I watch a lot of Flossie Carter's. He's one of my YouTube inspirations, especially since I began doing tech videos and stuff like that. So he's one of my favorite YouTubers. And you know what happens? You start watching people and, studying their stuff. It's going to come to you. You're going to start repeating some of the stuff. So I'm not biting Flossie. I'm just bigging up somebody that I'm a fan of, man. And I actually talk like that too. That's the thing. While he says certain things in his videos, and some of us like copy that, like I actually talk like that. And in conversation with my buddies, I will say a giggity or something like that. But if I say it in a tech video, I'm not intending to steal or bite the lingo from the homie Flossie. I've never met that man a day in my life, but I am a huge fan. So if it comes across like, oh man, he's stealing his lingo, he's stealing his lines, nah, I'm just paying homage. Ultimately, I'm showing respect to somebody I look up to in the tech space. All right, but like I said, there's not very many things with this device that I'm not a fan of. I did see a list earlier today of potential devices that are going to get Android 17, and there was a thorough list, all kinds of Samsung devices, all kinds of Pixel devices, all kinds of OnePlus devices, to include the OnePlus Open, which is crazy. But all these devices that were going to get it, and then this Motorola Razr Fold was not on the list, which seemed kind of weird considering this is brand new. This is your brand new top of the line device. Kind of found that strange, but I doubt that's real. So yeah, man, it's not very much that I don't like. I'm really enjoying my time with this device, and I still would highly recommend it to anyone who is considering it. All right, but that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.